In the last 6 months, you retired a lot of products and free online services, and for what? That green thing? We received several similar questions lately, so it is time to answer them. Let's start with that green thing, software as a service for music publishers, original, admins and subpubs. After its release, we retired our EBR, Excel, to CWR conversion service. That green thing can import EBR and export CWR, and we don't want one product to cannibalize another. We also provide consulting and custom development to software vendors who wish to generate CWR files. All our other CWR-related free online tools were also retired, after we released the same functionality as open source code in Django Music Publisher. These tools were used by two groups of people. One group were software developers. For them open source code is a far better option than an online tool. The other group were users of other software solutions claiming to be generating CWR files. This was, obviously, not quite true, so their users had to use our online tools to figure out what is wrong. We decided to stop supporting our competitors for free. Again, we do provide paid consulting and custom development in such cases. There was another very important reason for the retirement. We were using too many different code bases from different times. Right now, we are down to two, one used for Django Music Publisher and that green thing. And our new comprehensive music metadata engine. But, that is a topic for a different time. However, some of these tools will be back in a different form. You can find out more in this series. Thank you. And keep watching.